What are right-to-work laws, and how do they affect unions? Have you ever wondered how laws can shape the relationship between workers and their unions? Right-to-work laws play a significant role in this dynamic. These laws are state-level regulations in the United States that prohibit agreements requiring workers to join a union or pay union dues as a condition of employment. This means that individuals can benefit from union-negotiated contracts, like better wages and workplace protections, without having to financially support the union. This situation creates a free rider problem, where some employees enjoy the benefits of union representation without contributing to its costs. The origins of right-to-work laws trace back to the Taft-Hartley Act of 1947. This act allowed states to create laws that override federal provisions permitting union security agreements. Before this, the National Labor Relations Act of 1935 had established workers' rights to form unions and included provisions for union shops, where all employees were required to support the union financially. Right-to-work laws emerged as a countermeasure to limit union power and financial strength, especially in certain regions. From an anthropological perspective, these laws reflected broader social and economic shifts tied to neoliberalism and structural adjustment policies. These changes have contributed to the decline of labor unions. Right-to-work laws highlight cultural and political struggles over collective worker identity and solidarity. Historically, these laws were also linked to maintaining racial segregation and weakening alliances among workers of different racial backgrounds. Unions often served as platforms for interracial solidarity and civil rights activism. The practical effects of right-to-work laws on unions are quite significant. Studies show that union membership rates can drop by about 4 percentage points within 5 years of adopting such laws. This decline weakens unions' ability to organize and advocate effectively for workers. Additionally, wages may decline by around 1% or more as unions lose bargaining power. Another consequence is the rise of a free-riding workforce, where non-members benefit from union negotiations without paying dues. This situation strains union resources and can lead to a decrease in overall union effectiveness. Business interests often support these laws, aiming to limit labor's influence in negotiations. In essence, right-to-work laws shift the balance of power between workers and employers. They restrict unions' financial and organizational strength, impacting labor solidarity and workers' economic well-being. These laws representing a change in societal structures that affect how workers organize, identify, and negotiate their roles within the economy and society. Understanding these laws helps us grasp the ongoing evolution of labor relations in a neoliberal context.